In this video, we will evaluate numerical expressions involving rational numbers. To evaluate an expression with multiple operations, we will use the order of operations. P stands for perform operations inside the parentheses. E means evaluate exponents. MD represents multiply and divide from left to right. And AS is add and subtract from left to right. Great, let's tackle some examples. In our first example, we will need to evaluate the expression 0.2 plus 0.7 plus 0.5 times 5. Let's follow the order of operations. There are no parentheses or exponents, so we'll start with multiplication. 0.5 times 5 is 2.5, so our expression is now 0.2 plus 0.7 plus 2.5. Great! We finished multiplication and the only operation we have left is addition, so we'll start adding from left to right. 0.2 plus 0.7 is 0.9, and 0.9 plus 2.5 is 3.4. So, our final answer is 3.4. Great job! Let's try an example with fractions. Again, we'll follow the order of operations. There are no parentheses, exponents, or multiplication, so we'll start with division. Dividing by a fraction is the same as multiplying by its reciprocal, so let's rewrite it as a multiplication problem. The reciprocal of 2 over 3 is 3 over 2. So we'll multiply 1/5 times 3/2. We will multiply our numerators and then our denominators, and we're left with 3 over 10. Great! We've finished multiplication and the only operation we have left is subtraction. To subtract, we need common denominators. The common denominator of these fractions is 10, so we'll rewrite 3 over 5 as 6 over 10, multiplying top and bottom by 2. Now we can subtract. 3/10 minus 6/10 is negative 3/10. We cannot simplify any further, so our final answer is negative 3/10. Let's try another one. We'll follow the order of operations. In this example, we do have parentheses. That means we need to simplify the expression in the parentheses first. The operations inside the parentheses are addition and multiplication. The order of operations says to multiply before adding, so let's multiply. 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. 3 times 5 is 15. So we get negative 6 over 15. Let's simplify this fraction. The numerator and the denominator are divisible by 3, so we can reduce negative 6 over 15 to negative 2/5. Now, add the values inside the parentheses. 1/5 plus negative 2/5 is negative 1/5. There is nothing left to simplify inside the parentheses, so we can get rid of them. Now let's look at what's left. Our only operation left is division, so let's divide. Remember, to divide fractions, we need to multiply by the reciprocal. The reciprocal of negative 1/5 is negative 5 over 1. So we can multiply 1/2 times negative 5 over 1. This simplifies to negative 5 over 2. This is an improper fraction though, so let's simplify it. 5 divided by 2 is 2 with a remainder of 1. So negative 5/2 is the same as negative 2.5. So our final answer is negative 2.5. Let's do one last example together. Remember, we'll need to follow the order of operations. According to the order of operations, we need to first evaluate anything inside the parentheses. We don't have any parentheses, so we move on to exponents. We do have an exponent, 3 squared. Squaring a number means multiplying it by itself, so it's really 3 times 3, which equals 9. Next up is any multiplication or division. We have both, so let's go from left to right. First, we'll divide 0.4 by 0.1, and we get 4. So our expression is now 9 minus 4 times 9. Now we multiply. 4 times 9 equals 36. Finally, we'll subtract and get our final answer, negative 27. Nice work!